because I wanted something from Yayoi Kusama collection, Louis Vuitton, but the one that I wanted is not available, which is this. I wanted this scarf. I mean, it is available and it is the last piece in the store, but it has damage and I don't want to, you know, purchase it full price and it is damaged. So last time I shared how we walked into the store, because sometimes 50% chances are the one that you really like is not available. You can purchase them online, but most of the time it is not available. So I just moved on and went to the second on my list, which is this. It's nothing big, it's not a bag, it's not a small SLG. So in 2018 this perfume was released and I got a sample of, and got so many oh my god, like I have so many samples. The scent that really speaks to me the most is this. It is called L'Immensité. I probably got 3 in the past years, because every time we purchase they gave us some samples, and I really like how it smells. And I was planning to purchase another one, which is the Sun Song, but last year they discontinued this scent. This is the receipt. Let me show you this bottle. It came packed in this bag, like that, and with this gift wrapping paper. They're so cute, right? The packaging is adorable. Put this down, and this wrapping paper. So here is the perfume. So I got this in this specific collection because I like the bottle, but you can purchase this in a like the regular bottle, but I choose this for some reason for our upcoming special occasion. And this here, this is my first Louis Vuitton perfume. This one really speaks to me the most because I like how it smells. It smells luxurious, like when you walk into the high-end stores, it smells like that. It's not, I don't think this is a sweet perfume. It is more a professional kind of fresh perfume. It is masculine, and this is the men's perfume, but they say that this is also a unisex perfume. Ta-da! Ta-da! So this is the perfume, Yayoi Kusama collection, L'Immensité in 100 ml. This is the back. The back. Let's open this. Oh my god. Like a fresh scent. Here on the side, I can peel this off. There. Ta-da! when you open it, just be careful when you open it. Ta-da! You can see this bottle, so cute. So this is the bottle. On top it has this magnetic cap there. I really like it. I feel like this is metal, it's not plastic. It has weight to it there. So the reason why I got this specific bottle, because I thought it is limited edition, and you can actually refill this perfumes. You just bring them into the Louis Vuitton stores, or probably you can call them, and you can actually refill this perfume. So I got this black and white and silver bottles because we have our upcoming anniversary, and I thought Dad can use this to make it feel more different. And I thought this one is really cute, right? And it smells really good. It is really cute. I really like the bottle, right? Besides the bottle, it smells super really nice. This is called L'Immensité by Louis Vuitton in the Yaya Kusama collection bottle. Oh, by the way, yeah, you can actually engrave your name here, so I'm planning to engrave our anniversary. And if Dan wants to use this on our anniversary, we would probably use this one because I really like this. Like, it gives me that vibe. If they will return this song scent, I would probably get this, because this is the next one that I like from Louis Vuitton perfume. This one is more citrusy. Oh, by the way, like, this has also like a citrus kind of a scent. Probably that is the reason why I'm so drawn into this. See, I can smell myself, and I really like this. Like, yeah, it is addicting in a way that is good. It's not sweet, it is not like that. It is addicting in a different way. So yeah, these are my top scents from Louis Vuitton, and that's that. I hope you like this mini video. Bye.